Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a verification field your Apple ID or password is incorrect. So guys, if you want to make any payment on your App Store or on your iPhone anywhere and facing this type of issue that your verification is failed, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back, simply you have to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not, you need to connect it first. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and here you will find the option of your Apple ID. Simply you have to click on your Apple ID name, and guys, after this you need to click on sign in and security. And after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, make sure that you have verified your Gmail address and you have turned on your two-factor authentication here. And guys, click on change password. After this, when you have click on change password, simply you have to enter your your password that you are used for unlock. So guys, I have set this password to unlock my iPhone. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface that you can change your password from here. So guys, simply you have to change your new password, and below you verify your new password and click on change, and guys, after this your password will be changed. So guys, after changing your password, simply you need to enter your new password and Apple ID, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, you have to open Apple Sport app. As you can see, click on this one, click on your gadget, scroll it down, click on more. And guys, after this you will find App Store. Click on your App Store, and after this you have to click on call. And guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem related to Apple ID or App Store. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.